Para sa specs ng Honda Winner X Standard Edition, engine type 4-stroke, 4-valve, dual overhead cam, liquid-cooled, displacement 149cc, bore and stroke 57.3 by 57.8 mm, starting system electric, transmission type manual 6-speed constant mesh, at sa kanyang rear single cylindrical suspension. Brake type sa kanyang harapan at likuran ay hydraulic disc na hindi equipped ng ABS para sa mga standard edition. Tire size sa kanyang harapan 90 by 80 by 17 tubeless yan, at sa kanyang rear 120 by 70 by 17 tubeless din yan. Wheel type cast wheel, wheelbase 1,278 mm, overall length 2,019 mm, overall width 725 mm, overall height 1,104 mm, curb weight 122 kg, seat height 795 mm, ground clearance 151 mm, fuel tank capacity 4.5 liters, fuel system PGM-FI, engine oil capacity 1.3 liters, maximum horsepower 15.4 horsepower at 9,000 RPM, maximum torque 13.5 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPM. Compression ratio 11.3:1. Fuel consumption average base sa Honda ay 52.3 km per liter. Para sa kanyang full video ay nasa YouTube channel natin. Search nyo lang ang Zoe Motovlog. Marami pang mga motor ang nandun. SRP 123,900. Available yan dito sa MC Angeles City for cash, credit card, installment at bank transfer.